2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 is here, bringing power, luxury, and off-road capability together in one tough package. GMC has taken this rugged pickup to the next level with advanced technology, enhanced performance, and an aggressive design that demands attention. Let's dive into the details of what makes this truck a top contender in the off-road segment. Design and exterior. The 2025 Sierra 1500 AT4 maintains its bold and muscular stance, featuring a redesigned front grille with black chrome accents, updated LED headlights, and a more aggressive bumper design. This off-road beast rides on 18-inch gloss black wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, ensuring superior traction on any terrain. A high-clearance front bumper, integrated skid plates, and a factory-installed 2-inch suspension lift give the AT4 an edge in off-road performance. The signature multi-pro tailgate continues to offer unmatched versatility, while new color options, including titanium rush metallic and deep mahogany, add a fresh touch. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Sierra 1500 AT4 offers multiple powertrain options. The standard 3.0L Duramax Turbo-Diesel engine pumps out 305 horsepower and 495 lb-ft of torque, delivering both efficiency and power. If you crave more performance, GMC offers a 6.2 LV8 engine producing 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, ensuring serious towing capabilities. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the AT4 provides a smooth yet powerful drive. GMC's adaptive ride control enhances handling, while the AT4 exclusive off-road mode optimizes throttle response, transmission shifts, and traction control for extreme terrain. Interior and technology. Step inside and you're greeted by premium leather trim seats with AT4 embroidery, heated and ventilated front seats, and a spacious cabin designed for comfort. The 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto keeps you connected on the go. A 12.3-inch digital driver display provides key vehicle stats at a glance. The Bose premium audio system ensures an immersive sound experience, while the available Super Cruise hands-free driving system adds a touch of modern convenience. With features like a heads-up display, surround view camera, and off-road inclinometer, the AT4 is loaded with cutting-edge tech, safety, and driver assistance. GMC has packed the Sierra 1500 AT4 with an impressive suite of safety features, including forward collision alert, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. The enhanced trailering system makes towing effortless, while the hill descent control ensures stability on steep terrains. Price and availability. The starting price of the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 is around $67,000, but with additional packages like the AT4X off-road package, the price can go above $75,000. Expect this rugged truck to hit dealerships by mid-2025. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 is a powerhouse designed for those who crave adventure without compromising luxury. With its powerful engines, off-road enhancements, and cutting-edge technology, this truck is built to conquer any terrain. What do you think about the new Sierra AT4? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updater for more exciting auto updates. See you in the next video.